Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse Social Studies for Class 5. The Iron Age. Learning objectives. Iron Age. Tools and weapons. Life of people in Iron Age. Transportation in Iron Age. Iron Age sites in India. Iron Age. Classically, the Iron Age is taken to begin in the 12th century BC in the ancient India with the post-Rigvedic civilization. In other regions of Europe, it started much later. In archaeology, the Iron Age was the stage in the development of any civilization in which tools and weapons whose main ingredient was iron were prominent. The adoption of this material coincided with other changes in some past societies, often including different agricultural practices, religious beliefs, and artistic styles. According to historians, the Iron Age is the last principal period in the three-age system for classifying prehistoric societies, preceded by the Bronze Age. Its date and context vary depending on the country or geographical regions. How was iron developed? By the Middle Bronze Age, increasing numbers of iron objects appeared at various places. In some places, their use appears to have been ceremonial. This was because during Bronze Age, iron was an expensive metal, more expensive than gold. Some sources suggest that iron was being created in some places then as a byproduct of copper refining and was not reproducible by the metallurgy of the time. Bronze was previously used to make tools.
Do you know?
Iron Age tools. Armor and shields. Evolution of transport. Evolution of communication. Evolution of transport.